Good afternoon, guys. Happy weekend to you guys. Today I'm going to do a fresh watching here restaurant in the Perkins. I just was here earlier to the windows using me waterpad pole. And then big bosses here, and Sunny lady want me to ask for a fresh wash. You saw, outside the building, and the walkway, and the front walkway, and the dumpster. I'll show you guys what it looks like here. This is dumpster. This is very nasty. And so it's here. It's getting blacker. So it's really dangerous when it's raining. And that over there will be slippery. And so what's around here, you can see that the green is algae already there. This wall, and so what's here, see that wall right there? Yep. And this little walkway here right there. I'm gonna show you here. It's very nasty posts here. They're black. And then some this front walkway right here. So right there. That's right. So yep, I'm going to do right now. It's past 1 o'clock in the PM, and the rain will be coming in later on. Hopefully I'll get done till the rain drops. So, alright, I got done right now. I'm going to use my softwash equipment first and heat it up for about there's a concrete all on the outside, so 6% there right now. Yep, 6% on all this concrete here. Walkway 6%. All the way to the dumpster, heat up for 6%. Yep. Alright guys, see you later. Subscribe to my channel. So I will let you guys play help. Anyway, so get some notification bell, hit that post, so you get notified when I get other videos, new videos. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a great day. God bless.